In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're refining your brand's look or just starting out with your online store, personalizing your Shopify site can help you stand out. So, let's dive right into this straightforward process. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.shopify.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Remember, you'll use your credentials, which typically include your email and password associated with your Shopify account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it through the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and look for the section labeled Online Store. Click on it and then select Themes. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see the themes you've installed or purchased for your store's appearance. Next, find the active theme you are currently using or the one you want to modify and click on the Customize button. This action opens the theme editor, your workspace, to initiate changes. At the top center of the theme editor, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to select which specific page you